All right. So it's day two building the project, trying to get a job as a front-end developer, to get a job as a front-end developer. We're still in the designing stage. I'm gonna go ahead to my phone and the app which we are building is basically, if you didn't watch the day one, is the wallet app. I'm gonna go ahead and screenshot it so that we're gonna have oh my god there's too many things to work on at this stage. I don't know where to begin. Okay, let's say this. Okay. Okay. Shish. Okay, I'm gonna send them to my Mac. And until it's sending, okay, it's here. Yeah, I just wanted to tell you that I was trying to make this thing work. If you didn't watch the previous video I recorded, the day one, I was trying really hard to make these videos look really nice, and I couldn't make it look better. I tried to find this software, I couldn't find it, just to make these videos look nicer and better. 16:9 resolution. Anyway, so right, okay, now I can put my phone away like this. I'm gonna close this another tabs. I'm gonna go ahead and do this, do this, do this, and okay, so the first page is this one. Yeah. Really nice. Okay. We're gonna scale it down. Right. Now that's what I'm talking about. Okay, these two are gonna get here. Like this. Because this is the first thing which you see after you clicked on this add button. Yeah, this is the first thing which you see after you clicked on add button. Come on. Yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah, this is the first thing you see after you clicked on add button. This is the second, and this is, yeah, after you clicked on more details. You can add a note. I don't know what pay means. Payment type, this is a good thing. Warranty, have no idea what it is. Status, no idea. Location, attach photo. I don't think we need all of these things. I don't think, in fact, we need this more detailed stuff, but I'm just gonna leave it. And I'm gonna add a border radius of 5 pixels just to make these things fancier. And now we can go ahead to our own app. And you know what I thought about is, yes, I do need the design. I need the design. I can understand that. But there is the problem of that. Again, as I said in a previous video, I'm not a designer, right? I'm a developer, and the whole point behind this app is not to design it as good as possible, it's to build it as good as possible. And the building stage is the hardest and is the longest and is the whatever is the one we need. That's the most important. The building stage is the one we actually need, because they're going to be judging us not for design but for the for the way app works. So we have to forget about the design a little bit. So I decided just to leave this thing as it is, because the next thing after this icons and all this stuff, right, is to add this texts, add these shadows and all this stuff, and this graphs especially, which would have taken me a long time. And I just decided that, what, okay, there's certain things which has to be designed, and I can understand, like this icons, this nav bars and all this stuff, right? But this graph, which is going to take me a whole lot of time, this texts, right, this texts, these things are not like that necessarily, right? You know what I mean? It's not that necessarily. I can add these things, I am gonna make them, but I'm just gonna make these things happen while I'm gonna be coding the project, and not like in the design stage wasting time on these things. So I think I'm gonna go to Figma. I'm gonna go to here. Graph. What we can call it? Graph synonyms. Chart diagram, right? Third bar chart, pie chart, scatter diagram, monogram, plot, trace chart. It's a chart. You never know what comes to the head of a designer. Okay, these ones are nice. But we actually need something a little different. Okay, I think I'll do like this. Okay. This is gonna be the second page. The problem is it's a mobile app, and this, you see this Windows, especially mobile apps on iOS. I'm a little confused right now, like what should I do? Maybe we just should make it like what it is. Like in a web world, there is no such thing as like overlapping two windows, I guess. I can Google it. I can just something like that. Actually, let's leave these things. I can make a something like a model. I can try. Okay, so I'm gonna copy that again. This time it's gonna be like this. We are gonna delete everything inside like this, and we're gonna put this thing into, okay, let me change the color so I can see it to red. Okay, something like that. Sheesh. I'm copying mobile app and trying to make it in web, and then I'm gonna scale. Fuck. Stop. You know, okay. Something like this. And let's say it's gonna be this color. Yeah. Wait a sec. Yeah. Okay. Let's add box shadows to it. Let's change the color so I can see it. Yeah. And we can make something like this, I guess. Yeah, that should be fine. I'm trying my best. I'm trying my best. I'm trying my best. There is no like clear guidance. There is no like clear um, rules or something like that, right? So it's a pet project, but it's not that much of a pet project because I don't know. When I imagine a pet project, I imagine something which is gonna be to a certain degree made for you. Like, for example, if you search for, let's say, Instagram clone Figma, yeah, you see, you can find it. Like, um, I mean, I tried to search for. Okay, astaghfirullah. I tried. I genuinely. I'm honest with you. Like, you can go and search for expense tracker web app design Figma, and you can see that this is in purple. Is it purple? It's blue. It's purple. I guess it's purple. Um, because I clicked on these links and I checked them out, all of them. Okay, not all of them, but yeah, I made some research and all of these things you don't have to go ahead and check. I'm gonna just give this knowledge to you for free. All of them are mobile apps, all of them, and nearly none of them are good enough. Like it's either not completed design, like half made, or either it's just like someone just took a screenshot of their design and put it for free out there in order to people go ahead and buy the actual design. So yeah, man. I'm trying to pretend as if I'm building the actual app, like a startup, right? Twenty-two pixels. Add record. I think making it a little thicker, something like this. Making it a little bigger. Okay. Let's make a button. I'm gonna make it in frame. Yeah. Yeah, let's make it in frame. It's too big. Gonna make it 10 by 10. Let's see. Let's add a stroke and fill. And inside of this frame, we're gonna hello. What the heck? Where's the text? Ah. Okay, let's Maybe I should just add a fill and try something like that. Decrease the opacity. Cancel. Shit. First and foremost, we should have add grid and should have followed it. So cancel BTN. Nice. That should be good enough. Shit, I think it's too small, like freaking damn too small. Should make it like this. We can't make a toggle because I don't know how to make a toggle like here. It's an income or transfer, but I can make buttons. I think it's good enough. Or I can make a toggle. It's a web app. Come on. Pixels. Actually, give me 25. Yeah. Okay, 9. No. Oh. Okay. Shit. X times yeah. Kinda feel like it should be bigger. Yeah. Also, yeah, more rounded. Yeah. And also bigger. Is it good enough? Like, the size of it? Actually, let's make it a little bigger. Um, nice. I don't know, I'm just... What the... I'm just trying my best. Oh, okay. Okay, I just wanted to make it bigger, by the way. So, income transfer. Nice. Come on. Nice. Okay. Got to enjoy it. I like how they divided these two things, like, you know, these two blocks. Is it possible to make a keyboard on web? Not add. Oh, yes. No, 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 no. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Okay. Oops. Let's say 0. And it's expense, let's say right. 0, right. But it's too vibrant. We want to make it brighter. And also bigger. Shit. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. 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 See. When I zoom out and I see the full picture, it looks uh way worse than I thought. Okay, let's do 65, it should be good enough. Yep. Let's add minus in here. Okay. Gonna have to take a look. Nice. Yeah. 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 How are you doing, by the way, out there? I kind of forgot about that I'm recording this video so technically sometimes. Yeah, because, I'm not seeing the camera actively. And that's a good thing. I want to chill out when I'm working. I don't want to feel like as if I'm recording it, because I'm recording it just for fun of documenting the journey and not anything else. Yeah. So far it looks good enough. Good enough. Enough. Good enough. Okay? Let's say... Well, let's just use... Oh. Haha. Okay, let's just use $sign for now. Okay. Okay. kind of feel like it should be, I don't know, sort of in a different color, like, you know, stand out to a degree at least. Maybe we should add nah. In fact, let's do it even, yeah, like this. Okay, like less standing out. It should either stand out really much or not stand out at all, in my opinion. In my humble opinion. Honestly, this thing is in just a random freaking place at this stage. Not anymore. Okay. Good enough. Oh, I think we're gonna make this, because it's in a mobile app, you can basically type in, like, this is the user experience, right? So I was, you know, wondering about how I'm gonna make this thing, right? I type in the numbers and then just click any random place where there is nothing, and then this save button is gonna appear in the bottom, and you can click save, and this thing is gonna close, I guess, and your record is gonna get added. But on the web, you don't have this luxury. I mean, you have it, but I don't wanna make this user experience a little weird. So I think instead of putting it here and hiding it behind the keyboard, we're just gonna put it instead of templates, because I'm not planning to make templates. And in my opinion, just a stupid idea to make a template. Why I need a template for? Okay. Nope. Save. Save. Okay. Beautiful panel. Oh, I think if nice. If we make it like, let's see this right. No, not this way. I think I have a better solution for web than these guys came up with for mobile. Like, I can understand why they did it, but I think something more understandable and like more better user experience is gonna be for web, just the buttons. Like I, instead of making this kind of design decisions, I can just convert these things into buttons, which are gonna be inside of a container, which is gonna make it more appealing to a user, that it's clickable. And yeah, I mean, I can basically just, I don't know, play around with this thing and came up with all kinds of different btn add category. I guess we're gonna fill it with white. Obviously it's gonna be smaller than that. For example, these are 36. I think if we're gonna make it like 40 or something like that, should be good enough. And of course adding a border radius of like at least 20 pixels at this stage. Okay, not too much. 26 is I don't know, maybe 5, 10, 12, 15. Nah, let's make it 7. Just anything. And yeah, 45. Yeah, now it looks better. It's fine. It's a category. Label and category, I think we can put it into one thing. Account. I'm not sure about this thing. Okay, let's make extras free just in case. 15. Nice. We're gonna add text in here. We're gonna say add label. We're gonna make it, let's say 20 pixels. It's too much. 15. Nice. Again, as I said before, we can play around with this thing. Shit, I just cloned these for no reason, because I know I'm gonna be changing. Drop shadow doesn't look great, and this one. Okay, I'm definitely not going for white. This looks Not good. Doesn't look great. What if I just... Nah. Still sucks. It's too contrasting. It is too contrasting. Black, white, blah blah blah. I think we should maybe make it this color. This color. I don't make it white, but yeah, 90 something like that. Make stroke on the white, but again not 100%, like 90. Yeah, guess. Yeah, let's don't reinvent the wheel right here. Just, I'm gonna go for the same design as I did it here, okay? Just a little different style. Is it 100%? Okay, everything here is 100%. I'm gonna go with 100% also. Everything, you know. Arrow. Bismillah. Arrow. Okay. This one is good enough. Should be fine. And the active mode is gonna be, what is the active here? So active one is the same. What the heck is this thing? What? How does it even work this way? Shit. I'll try it again. Okay, I'll put it here first. Now I'll pick a color. Nice. I want all the paddings and the margins possible. Okay, nice. Beautiful. Oh. Nice. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, yes, Alhamdulillah, that's looking so much better. And I'm not a designer. I'm not even a designer, bro. That's looking so good, Alhamdulillah. Okay, wanted to add label. So we're gonna say account for some reason, and we're gonna remove the fill, add the stroke, make it white. That's simple. Wait, what the heck? Can I see the... Why? Okay. I'll make it 44 and side and like this. Yeah, now it's better. (19 by 18). Okay, I'm gonna do like this. That's good enough. Can I actually like make it 125, and that is gonna solve all the problems. Oh shit. Yeah, 19 by 19, even though no one does this way, but at least now it's equal. And I used to hate when designers do this kind of mistakes. Actually, we have a space in here for 1 pixel, exactly 1 pixel, which we added right now. Genius. And I think now we have to remove the rest, because this one is close to being ideal. Okay, we're gonna remove the fill and add a stroke, make it white. We're gonna same here. the stroke white. Like this. Gonna say add label. Say date and time. Yeah. MashaAllah. Okay. Looks better, what I can say. Actually, if you're doing a design, you're not gonna do it this way. You're gonna to scare. If you wanna scare a developer, you're gonna do like this. You're gonna do like this. Yep. Oh shit. Okay. It's your turn, right? No. Okay. I just wanted to copy this same thing here and just, you see this expands an account are active. In real life, it doesn't work this way. Only one of these can be active all at the same time, right? Yeah. Okay, so I think the only thing which has left is to make a keyboard. Oh my god. SubhanAllah. Can I just copy and paste some kind of keyword? It's gonna take so long. Mobile web app keyboard. Numbers. Yeah, I'll copy that. Paste in here. I guess this thing doesn't give a damn about anything, including the container, so I think I just do like this. That should be good enough. Like, I mean, this shadow is because of the app which is open. In our case, it's gonna be like this color, not blue. This one also works, but I have to chop it up. Anyway, I don't want to deal with this thing right now. I can say, yeah, I think the mobile is done so far. Inshallah. I mean the ad record. At least I guess so. After they click done, the keyboard will disappear and they just have to press save. Or they can just right away press save and it should save. Yeah, alhamdulillah. Now what we do? What do we do now? 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 Shit, I can't. I kind of like don't like the fact that we spend so much time designing the app and actually not building it. But if I'm gonna, first of all, if I'm not gonna design the app, what am I gonna be building at all, right? And second, I don't have a choice. I have to design. I wanna complete the home page. I can say money spend tracker graph. Mobile app. Yep. Oh, yeah, that looks nice. Ooh. Ooh. Ah. Ooh. Yep. Uh-huh. 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 Yep. PNG. Okay, fine. Such an amazing tool, mashallah. You really? What did I did? Wait, how the heck in the world? What? I even did it? I kinda don't like that. I wanted to add some text and like have fun with this thing. I just replaced what I have drawn. But can I paste it somewhere here? Yeah. Let's do it this. Giant SVG. I'm gonna delete that. Do it like, oh. Yeah. Fill it up. Yep. Like this. 5 pixels or 15. Okay. Mix it. I guess it was 15. Yeah, it was 15. Yep. And now we can put this thing into here. Until like this. And like this. Yeah. We can even gamify this thing like Duolingo does it. You know, your earnings are up, or send some AI notifications. Don't forget about me, kind of like this, because people spend nearly every day, right? Yeah, so people spend nearly every day. You can send some notifications to to not let them forget about what they have spent or something like that. That might be just useful, I guess. So I don't want. Okay, actually, let me add the borders on. It doesn't look great. It's freaking awful. now it's a little better. Yeah. Still looks very unprofessional. What we can do is, I think if we make it smaller, we can fit in some stuff in here. Ah, come on. Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna just add some time codes in here for last week or something. Maybe. Okay, so text, balance, trend. Let's make it very big and very bold. So it's too big. Just relying on my eyes. Why it's not saying anything, huh? Okay. Can add a stroke, but no, we're not gonna add a stroke. We're just gonna draw a line by myself. I know, that looks awful. Maybe I'll make it smaller or something like that. I can make it 10% opacity. 10%. I honestly don't know if I'm gonna be able to make it in code. So it might be in, might be out, I'm not sure. Yeah, man.